Byron, this is a beautiful 33. All the best of the best. Badass candy green paint. House of Colors. Brand new crate motor. Runs like a sewing machine. 3 deuces. MSD ignition. All top of the line. Electric power steering. Badass chassis. Brand new black chrome wheels. Disc brakes. I got the hood. I just took the hood off because I like to show the motor. It's got all billet specialties pulleys. Runs like brand new. You can drive this thing anywhere. I had it all for 2.5 hours on Sunday. Air conditioning and heat. Suicide doors, power windows. Like I said, I got the hood I can put on, and I got the sides. The sides have never been put on, but they're painted. The chassis is badass. All tube chassis, all inboard. Koni shocks. It's got QA1 coilovers in the rear, aluminum radiator, electric fan. Runs at 170 degrees. Low car shifter. Same interior as the other one. Badass car. I love these things. These are the best. Tilt steering. Runs like a sewing machine.